Imagine a garden where time collapses. Ancient sages kneel, pressing leaves between palms. Modern scientists in white coats trace the same venation with microscopes. This is the story of Asian plants that heal, bridging ritual and research, folklore and pharmaceuticals. Long before pill bottles, communities across Asia relied on botanicals. Consider ginseng, revered in East Asia for millennia. Its roots were prescribed to restore vigor and balance qi. Today, extracts from Panax species are studied for immune modulation and fatigue, ancient claims meeting controlled trials. Then there is Artemisia annua, a common herb used in traditional Chinese medicine. For centuries, it treated fevers. In the 1970s, Chinese scientists isolated artemisinin, a compound that revolutionized malaria treatment worldwide. This is more than coincidence, it is the translation of empirical knowledge into life-saving chemistry. Across the Indian subcontinent, the Ayurvedic tradition cultivated an encyclopedic herbalism. Tinospora cordifolia, known as guduchi, was a tonic for resilience and digestion. Modern research highlights its immunomodulatory and anti-inflammatory potentials. Withania somnifera, or ashwagandha, once a restorative for longevity, now appears in studies examining stress, cortisol regulation, and neuroprotection. These plants carry phytochemicals, alkaloids, terpenes, glycosides that interact with human biochemistry in measurable ways. Yet the journey from leaf to lab is complex. Standardization, dosage, safety, and sustainable harvesting pose ethical and scientific challenges. Bioprospecting must respect traditional knowledge and biodiversity. Some successes, like artemisinin, inspire collaboration. Others caution patience and rigorous testing. The healing flora of Asia reminds us that medicine is both cultural memory and evolving science. Ancient remedies offered clues. Modern pharmacology extracts, validates, and sometimes refines them. When tradition and technology converse, the result can be transformative. Plants not only preserve heritage, but also continue to save lives in the modern world.